want to talk to you guys today about why we choose what lights we use. Now we have the ability to go choose from all kinds of different manufacturers, and that's a question I get asked a lot is, well, who do you guys use for lighting? And there's several different companies, and there's probably hundreds we could pick from, and we've probably tried lights from several dozen of them, and we've just kind of sourced out and came up with the best and most durable ones that we like. And it just so happens that FX Luminaire has some of the most durable lighting fixtures that are out there, and that's why we choose them a lot of the time. That being said, we use different lighting fixtures and different products from companies like Kichler and Vista Professional Outdoor Lighting and many others, but I want to talk to you about the staples, and the one that we recommend most is probably our uplight from FX Luminaire, the RS LED uplight. And basically what you're going to find in that light is a really quality and really durable fixture. And that's where you can go online and you can order one of our try it before you buy it lights, so that you can really feel the difference and see the difference in these lights. But the reason I like this is it's a nice simple design in a nice black finish. We can get them in any finish. It comes standard with a 20 watt equivalent or 4 watt LED bulb. So this is an LED light, but if you need something brighter, we can swap that bulb out and put something brighter. It also comes with a very solid and durable 6-inch ground stake. So every light has that. It's that 2700 Kelvin temperature, color temperature, that warm white that you're used to seeing. So just because it's LED, it's not that bright white that sometimes people think. It's just that nice soft warm yellow. But that's why we like this light. It's one of the most durable lights on the market, and we know it's going to last 10, 15, 20, 25 years. And it's easily one of the best values out there for what you get. So go and try it before you buy it light, and you can really feel for yourself the quality of this light. So on this project we're using uplights. We've got these beautiful stone pillars that go all the way up to the top deck. So we're going to use an uplight on these on both sides of the deck here. And really all we're going to do is we're just going to use a different style bulb in this uplight, which is going to be a little bit narrower. So it's just going to sharpen that beam, and it's going to shoot it further up and concentrate more on these pillars. So that's another use of an uplight. It just doesn't have to be for trees, but anytime you have nice architectural features of the home, it's a great way to accent them. So our last use of uplights on this house is to uplight our tall columnar aspens, which you see all the time. The one thing I see most people do though is they'll try and light every single tree, and before you know it, you've got 17 lights in your backyard, and it's just a lot of the times it's overkill and it's too much. You can always add more lights down the road, but what I recommend is starting with a few trees. What we've done here is we've got about 8 or 9 of these tall trees in the back. We've only selected to light approximately every second one. We're going to light the 2 on the corner and then 2 of the taller ones kind of in the middle, and that's it. So instead of having 9 lights back here, which not only runs up the cost, also can just be a little bit overpowering, we're just focusing on a few of the featured trees and just space them out properly to give that effect and not to overdo it. So we've got 4 lights where we could easily have 9 or 10, but if you're looking to keep your budget down and still make it look good, a great way to do it is just start with less. Again, you can always add more down the road. Hey guys, as you can see here in this project, we've used a couple of uplights. We've got a lot of wash lights because we have a lot of lower, wider shrubs that we really want to disperse that light out. But then we do have some nice featured trees all over the property. We've got some where the really featured trees, we actually got 2 or 3 lights on them, but pretty simple. I mean, these are definitely the most popular, what you see all the time.
The biggest mistake I see a lot of people doing is a lot of times they'll put them too close to the tree, and it just creates this big hot spot. If you're trying to light the trunk, you want to have it about 12 to 18 inches back to do that. If it's a tree where you got lots of nice foliage and stuff that you want to highlight, that might be where you got to use 1 or 2 lights and move them further back from the tree and have them shine up in the foliage more. One thing I like to do if it's a bigger tree like that, I'll actually have 1 light that'll light up the stem like this, and then maybe 1 or 2 lights on the side that will just catch the, the canopy of that tree to really give it some nice light. So on this project, like I said, wash lights, up lights, and then we've also got some path lights, but more to highlight a little bit of paths and some nice rock work as well.